Something loud just exploded in the middle of Times Square. What happened? Something just exploded in the middle of Times Square. People all over the place. I can't reach up there, Lord. Man, I hope it's not what I think it is. Something just exploded in Times Square. And people acting crazy. They're blacking up the whole part. You can see the smoke right up there. Something big just exploded in Times Square. I don't know what it is. Something big just exploded in Times Square. That is crazy. I don't know what it is, but people everywhere. Look at this, guys. Everywhere. Something big just got exploded in Times Square. Nobody don't know what it is, and it was real loud. I was like a block away. Block away. Look. People everywhere. That was loud, and they look like bodies. They look like they have bodies up there too. I'm not sure.
Bodies on the ground?
I'm thinking it sounds like a bomb because it was really loud. Or it could.
Just said it was a manhole exploding.
Yeah, it could be that too. It's two things. Either that or some, bodies. But if it's a manhole, they're gonna have some casualties or
You
something.
think so?
A manhole. This is a manhole, sweetheart. If that explodes right now, all of us are gonna get affected.
Oh, it smells.
Yeah, you can smell it. It's a manhole. That's a manhole.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, I figured it's a manhole. Yeah. That thing was so loud, man. I was,
I heard it on the block.
Yeah. It's a manhole, man. That thing was.
This guy trying to drive.
Cause you could smell it right now.
You can smell it,
Yeah, it's a manhole. They gotta check these things, man. When they get hot under there. Oh my God, man.
Oh, man.
Office of Emergency Management, obviously our federal partners, FBI and others, working with us. So all hands are on deck. Injuries are significant. You'll hear from Commissioner Nigro on the details of the injuries. But at this point, we can confirm that none of those injured are likely to die. We also want to be upfront saying that there is no evidence at this point of a terror connection to this incident. This is preliminary information. It's something we will be investigating very carefully, but there is no evidence at this point of a terror connection. I also want to affirm that based on what we know at this hour, there is no specific connection to the incident in New Jersey. It is, again, too early to say anything definitive on those questions, but there's no specific evidence of a connection at this point. I want to say more broadly, there is no specific and credible threat against New York City at this point in time from any terror organization. So as we are analyzing what happened here, we are doing it against the backdrop where we have no credible and specific threat at this moment. But we do want to be very clear. The early indications, the initial indications is this was an intentional act. We're going to have a lot more to say in the coming hours as we have more detailed analysis, but we believe at this point in time this was an intentional act. I want to assure all New Yorkers that the NYPD and all other agencies are at full alert and that our anti-terror capacity in particular is at full alert, our Critical Response Command and our other key units, our Strategic Response Group, our Emergency Services Unit, all are on alert and all are dealing with this situation and being vigilant all over the city at this point in time. And we have in this city the most advanced anti-terror capacity of any city in this country, and obviously the largest police force of any city in the country, all ready to ensure our safety. Now I want to be clear, whatever the cause, whatever the intention here, New Yorkers will not be intimidated. We are not going to let anyone change who we are or how we go about our lives. We have the best police force in the country and a number of other key agencies, FDNY, OEM, etc., making sure we will be safe. We are at this point, of course, tracing every lead and every potential. It's too early to give you any details of the investigation because it has just begun over the last few hours. So I want to say up front, we're not going to go into a lot of detail about what we're finding so far in the investigation. That will take certainly more hours before we can give you more. But we do want to urge all New Yorkers, anyone who may have information related to this incident, anyone who was an eyewitness, anyone who may have video, the NYPD needs that. Please reach out immediately if you have any information that we can use. Call 1-800-577-TIPS. 1-800-577-TIPS if you have any pertinent information. Finally, a second site as we speak is...
Go. I don't know what it is, but... What is it? I don't know. I heard something.
I don't know where the fuck is. I actually don't know. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? What the fuck? The people is running! Why the people is running? Parece que ya pasó algo. Pero me lo juro que me cagué de miedo con ver a toda la gente corriendo.